This is James Watt giving you tips on cryptocurrency. As usual, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and never risk more than what you can afford to lose. Now, let's talk about Hyperliquid. And honestly, this chart is looking extremely bullish. From a technical analysis perspective, I believe the rally in Hyperliquid is not finished yet. In fact, I think we still have more upside coming. Now let me explain why. When I analyze this chart using Elliott Wave theory, the recent pullback we are seeing right now looks very similar to a wave 4 correction. And for those who are not familiar with Elliott Wave, here is the simple explanation. Markets move in five waves. Wave 1 moves up, wave 2 pulls back, wave 3 is usually the strongest explosive move, then comes wave 4, which is normally a temporary correction before the final push higher, and that final push is called wave 5. Right now, Hyperliquid appears to be forming that wave 4 correction, and if this pattern plays out correctly, we could be preparing for one more strong move higher. My projection shows that when this correction is complete, Hyperliquid could rally into a wave 5 expansion with a potential gain of around 50% from current price levels. That is a very attractive short-term setup. But remember, good traders always manage risk. Never enter a trade without knowing exactly where you are wrong. For me, my stop loss level is at $54. This is my protection zone. If price breaks below that area, I accept that the setup has failed and I exit the trade. No emotions. Now let's talk profit taking. I am watching the $86 region very carefully. Anything trading above the $86 area inside that yellow rectangle on the chart becomes my potential sell zone. That is where I begin thinking about locking profits. Remember, you do not have to sell the exact top. Nobody can consistently predict the exact top. The goal is simply to make money and protect capital. Now, personally, I already scooped up some of this altcoin. I am not marrying this trade. I am simply looking for some short term profits, maybe enough for a nice pizza party. But very importantly, I have already set my stop loss because in crypto, one bad trade without risk management can wipe out weeks or even months of profits. So to summarize, Hyperliquid still looks bullish. The rally does not appear finished. Current correction looks like wave 4. If the pattern holds, wave 5 could deliver up to 50% upside. Stop loss at $54. Sell zone above $86. And always remember, protect your downside first. Opportunities in crypto come every day. Capital preservation is what keeps you in the game. That's all for today, guys. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next update.